Our team has helped countless home sellers like yourself sell your home fast and for top dollar. And we can tell you with confidence what works and what doesn't to get your home sold for the best result. Fact. There is no substitute for proven, aggressive, and effective marketing on your home. Effective marketing calls out to buyers most qualified to buy your home. The right marketing on your home will say the right things, be in the right place at the right time, and compel qualified buyers to contact us immediately to find out more. We have hundreds of qualified buyers in our database that may be looking for a home just like yours. Fact. According to real estate consultant Bernice Ross, a lower commission does not guarantee you will net more on your home sale. There is a big lie in real estate. It's the lie that reducing the commission always results in more money for the seller. Nothing could be further from the truth. No matter what you're selling, maximum exposure to the marketplace is the critical factor in achieving the highest price possible. Companies and agents who cut services in exchange for taking a lower commission often cost home sellers much more than the extra 1 to 3% they save in commission. Depending on price, the cost can be tens of thousands of dollars. Don't fall into this trap. Fact. The team approach is the preferred way to sell your home for the most money in the least time. An agent who operates all by themselves really has to hustle to make it all happen the way it should. And it's tough for a lone wolf agent when they are juggling more than one listing. Important details can, and many times do, fall through the cracks. But just as doctors, lawyers, and other professionals hire assistants to handle the small but important details that do not require their expertise, we've pioneered the same process in the real estate industry, and thus have an excellent team to ensure that you are always our top priority. Fact. Listing a home for an unrealistically high price almost always results in an unrealistically low selling price. The price a home sells for is subject to the law of supply and demand. When a home is priced too high versus comparable homes in the area, prospective buyers won't bother to view it. Why? Because they are able to view homes with similar features that are listed for a lower price. As a result, the home that is listed too high sits on the market for a long time, causing prospective buyers to assume there is something wrong with it. In order to get things moving, a price reduction is often required. And in the end, the home can end up selling for much less than it would have if it had been priced correctly in the first place. Get started today and get your home sold right the first time, and for more money than the average real estate agent can sell your home.